This illustration is the IIT 1999 ની અંદર જી એડવાન્સની અંદર પૂછાયેલો છે. તો નાવ the xy plane is the boundary between two transparent media. Now this is the xy plane. Paper is the xy plane. Medium 1 with z greater than equal to 0 has the refractive index of √2. Means કે z axis આ direction માં છે. This is the z axis and this is the plane. Therefore here take z axis. This is the n1 equal to √2. And medium 2 with z less than equal to 0. This is the z less than equal to 0. Negative z axis. This is z greater than equal to 0. This is z less than equal to 0. Refractive index n2 equal to √3. A ray of light in a medium means કે the xy plane boundary between એટલે xy plane છે એની boundary છે ટુ ટ્રાન્સપરન્ટ મીડિયાની બનેલી છે. તો ફર્સ્ટ મીડિયમ છે, ઉપરનું મીડિયમ છે z greater equal to 0 તેનો વક્રી ભવનાંક √2 છે. નીચેનું જે મીડિયમ છે એ z less than 0 એનો વક્રી ભવનાંક √3 છે. Ray of light in a medium 1 given by a vector. તો incident rays છે, incident 6√3i cap plus 8√3j cap minus 10k cap is incident on the plane of separation. તો આના ઉપર આપાત થાય છે. તો આ રીતે જનરલી ઇન્સિડન્ટ થશે. આ રીતના આ ઇન્સિડન્ટ રે થશે. પેન્સિલ છે, ઇન્સિડન્ટ રે લઈએ તો આ રીતના ઇન્સિડન્ટ થશે. This is the incident angle I. And now refracted. This is the refracted angle R. Now this is x-axis. It is denoted a plane parallel unit vector EP cap, and plane perpendicular unit vector is EN cap. Find the unit vector in the direction of the refracted ray in a medium 2. Unit vector find કરવાનો છે. તો આપણને ખબર છે કે આર કેપ લઈએ છીએ ઇન અ વેક્ટર તો લઈએ છીએ cos θ into i cap plus sin θ into j cap near side and opposite side in a vector. This is the unit vector. તો a cap લઈએ આપણે. Therefore this is unit vector x-axis direction, this is unit vector z-axis direction. તો અહીંયા આપણે લેશું this is the unit vector for reflected. So now unit vector represented unit vector emergent ray equal to cos r. Opposite side, this is opposite side cos r en cap, and near side plus sin r, sorry, cos r near side and opposite side sin r EP cap. Okay, this is emergent ray ni direction mano unit vector છે. તો now find en cap and EP cap. તો EP cap equal to P means કે plane. તો XY plane ની direction માં unit vector. This is the denoted by XY plane. Therefore EP cap find કરવાનો છે. Therefore EP cap equal to 6√3i cap plus 8√3j cap divided by magnitude of this vector. Therefore this is the 6√3 square plus 8 root 3 square equal to 6 root 3 I cap plus 8 root 3 j cap. Now here 6 root 3 means 36 into 3, 36 into 3 plus 64 into 3. Root 3 common लइए तो 0.6 I cap plus 0.8 j cap. This is the EP cap. Now angle between incident ray and normal. The angle between incident ray and normal, this is the incident ray. This is the angle between incident ray and normal. This is the theta. Therefore, cos theta equal to 6 root 3 I cap plus 8 root 3 j cap minus 10 k cap into, this is denoted by a k cap, dot k cap, divide by magnitude of this vector root 3 square plus 8 root 3 square plus 10 square and k no magnitude 1. This is the minus 0.5. Therefore, theta equal to minus 0.5 minus 1 by 2. Theta equal to 120. Theta 120. This angle is I equal to here 180 minus 120. Therefore, incident angle is 60 degree. Okay, I equal to 60 degree. According to Snell's law, so root 2 sine I equal to root 3 sine R. Therefore, root 2 sine 60 equal to root 3 sine R. Solve this equation, R equal to 45 degree. Now, equation of the emergent ray is cos R En cap plus sin R EP cap. Therefore, cos 45 En cap negative minus k cap plus sin 45.6 I cap plus 0.8 j cap. Now 1 upon root 2 common, therefore 0.6 I cap plus 0.8 j cap minus k cap. This is equation for emergent ray.